Today, we're showcasing a washing machine that combines performance, style, and energy efficiency. The Whirlpool FFD 9489 BCV EE. Let's dive right in. With a 9-kilogram capacity, this machine is perfect for larger families or those who have loads of laundry to tackle. Whether you're washing blankets, heavy towels, or a full load of clothes, this washer has got you covered. It also boasts 1400 RPM spin speed, ensuring your clothes come out fresh, clean, and practically dry. Talk about efficiency. Now, let's talk power. This washing machine comes with an inverter motor, which means quieter operation, less wear and tear, and improved energy efficiency. In fact, it has an A energy efficiency rating, so you can save money while doing your laundry. That's something we all appreciate. For added convenience, the Whirlpool FFD 9489 BCV EE is equipped with a steam program, which helps reduce wrinkles and refresh clothes. This is great for delicate fabrics, or when you're in a rush and need that fresh look without the ironing hassle. When it comes to noise, this machine operates at 78 decibels, which is typical for most washing machines, but still gives you a quiet and smooth washing experience. With a depth of 63 centimeters and a sleek white finish, this washing machine fits perfectly into your modern home, making it both practical and stylish. And don't forget, with its electronic display, you can easily track your settings, while the delayed start function lets you schedule your laundry at your convenience. Finally, Whirlpool offers a 2+3-year warranty when you register the product, giving you that extra peace of mind. So, if you're looking for a powerful, reliable, and efficient washing machine, the Whirlpool FFD 9489 BCV EE is a fantastic choice. Get ready to enjoy cleaner clothes with less hassle. It's the perfect addition to any home. That's it for today's showcase. See you next time.